What's up guys, it's Dovah. Today we're playing this game. Holy fuck, oh my god. Oh my god, my friend just died. Alright, I think this is gonna be a lot better. Yeah, this game's pretty good. I like it a lot. Hello. Can I? Alright. Alright. Ah. Oh my god! I want to be the commander. Oh no, this is a bad idea. I should not be the commander. Hold on. Yeah, look at this guy. Look at this guy. Look at this fucking guy. Hey guy, how do you talk? My whole team is making goat noises. I feel like I'm playing airsoft. This looks like a pretty good place to go. Hey, there's a guy. Oh my god, I got one. Fuck, idiot. Oh god. Look at this guy. This guy looks like he knows what he's doing. Oh, no, he just fucking died.
Yeah, I'm ISIS woman.
Yeah, you guys gotta change your fucking genders.
Why? I wanna be what I wanna be. I wanna be what I wanna be.
Listen, Lady Gaga.
What the fuck?
Are we gonna get a commander in the server, or are we all just gonna try and play this like old school Call of Duty? Yeah, let's get a daddy in.
Wait, is this Modern? Wait, I thought I downloaded Modern Warfare 2. I think I'm in the wrong game. I gotta go.
No, this is Call of Duty 4. We're in 2007, dude.
I'm very confused as to what game I'm playing.
And 1060s.
Okay. Well, I'm not gonna lie. I shot a guy like 4 times, but he didn't die. That guy was really close to me. That was scary. Oh no. Oh no, I don't know where that was from, but I don't like that. Oh no. Oh no. Where is the objective? Show me the objective.
This game kinda sucks. We got it.
Oh, I was on the objective. Alright, I'm playing as ISIS now. Got that guy. Idiot. Fucking idiot. I don't know how to heal. How do I heal? F. Open sesame. Any bad guys in here? Any ISIS members in here? Wait, I'm ISIS. Wait. Oh yeah, that guy was not a member of ISIS, so I killed him. Idiot. I'm planting an explosive on their weapons cache. What if I press I destroyed their weapons cache. I don't know if that wins us the game or not. Whoa, that guy, dude, that guy just fucking came in fucking sliding like fucking Batman. How do you do that shit? Hey, did me blowing up the weapons cache help us at all? Nobody responded to me. I don't think they like me. I don't think they really like me as an ISIS member. I might have to reapply. Alright, I got C. Oh, that guy just got fucking domed. Holy sh! Oh my god. I destroyed their weapons cache, so honestly, I should be the commander. I should be the commander now. You all have to listen to me now. Oh fuck. Oh my god. Did I kill that guy?
Did you kill that motherfucker?
Dude, I did. This is why I should be the commander. I'm really— Oh fuck!
Run, bitch.
Dude, I'm really good at this game. I should be the commander. Damn. I'm a fucking gamer. Oh, there goes another one. Damn. Kill that guy. Oh, there was another guy. I think I should be the commander because I am the best at this game.
And this is why people don't like you.
What? People don't like me because I'm the best? Oh my god, who is that? Most valuable player? I can't read.
What the fuck?
Well, that guy's a fucking idiot. He just kicked open the door. So what's up, motherfuckers? The guy shot in the fucking head. Oh my god, that guy just kicked the fucking door off the hinges. Jesus Christ. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's what the fuck? Stop that. Stop. No, both of you stop. Oh, stop. What the fuck? Hey, what is going on, guys? It's Dovah here today. Jesus Christ. What's going on, guys? It's Dovah here today. Today we're playing this game. It's a really good game. Personally, I think it's called Call of Duty. I personally like to call it shooty shoots game because you shoot people in it. So yeah, overall pretty fun. Open up. All right. What this guy dies too. How do you do that? What the fuck? That guy just fucking falcon kicked the air. We're really gonna get him. Wait, hold on a second. That guy looks like a fucking terrorist. What the fuck? That guy's ISIS. Somebody gonna do something about this? What the fuck? You know, really no loss.
What the fuck?
Just shot that guy in the neck. And he walked away from me. Ow. I got him. Oh my god. No! Oh, we lost. I went 14-4. So, you know, it was pretty good. I leveled up and everything. I got a beret. I got a dark green beret.